Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the KOIOS 900W Countertop Blender, a powerful and efficient personal smoothie maker with a 900-watt motor that reaches an impressive 23,000 RPM, effortlessly blending fruits, nuts, coffee beans, and even ice cubes for your healthy shakes, smoothies, and more. This blender is designed with a unique 6-leaf blade for even and delicate blending, ensuring you extract all the hidden nutrients from your fruits and vegetables, and it comes with two 18.6-ounce bottles and a 10-ounce cup, providing a total capacity of 47 ounces, perfect for preparing daily nutrition drinks for your family. With its convenient on-the-go design, the two bullet-shaped cups with travel lids let you take your homemade beverages anywhere, whether it's to the office, gym, or on a road trip, and the 2-leaf blade is perfect for grinding coffee beans or spices. Cleaning is a breeze with detachable parts that can be rinsed under the tap or placed on the top shelf of your dishwasher, making it easy to maintain while ensuring safety with heat dissipation holes and non-slip silicone pads for stability. Plus, KOIOS offers worry-less customer support with a 24-month exchange and lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, their team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Experience the convenience and power of the KOIOS 900W Countertop Blender and elevate your healthy lifestyle with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.